we're going to be learning my choreography to the bachata version of All I Want for Christmas. This choreography is quite cute because we'll be drawing out the Christmas tree with the gift and the bow under the tree. Starting with the right foot, we take 3 steps forward. This is the tree trunk. 1, 2, 3. On 4, we're going to have our knee up. Next, we're going to do a cross point. 5, 6, repeat, 7, 8. That's the top of the Christmas tree. Now we're going to twist our hip into a pose. 1, 2, reach forward, 3, 4. This symbolizes the star on top of the tree. Next, we're going to travel on a straight line to the back, but facing that wall. 2 steps and a slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is just to get us to the bottom of the tree. Next, we're going to do a bachata box that represents the gift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, figure 8 hips for the bow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yo no pido mucho en las Navidades, solo algo voy a pedir.